Riddle me this, riddle me that. Which dancehall artist is famous for the following line? We run things, things that run we. A. Red Dragon. B. Ninja Man. C. Junior Cat. D. Flower Gun. Comment your answers below. Bless. Yo, people sleep on Merciless now. Rest in peace to him. But they tend to forget Merciless is one of the only artists to lyrically murder 3 persons at Sting one time. The only other person to do that was Ninja Man. This is when Merciless did it, and of course I have a video of Ninja Man doing it up against Flower Gun, Ratigan, Red Dragon, and some junior. But Merciless, 3 top artists one time, Beanie, Bounty, Ninja, got it all from Merciless. Rest in peace to Merciless. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Who is the original self-proclaimed king of the dancehall? Is it A. Beanie Man, B. King Yellowman, C. Vybz Kartel, D. Bounty Killer? Give your answers in the comment below, or you can just mix this video. When Ninja Man said, "Call me crooked, prison body, anything you want." Every yard man can relate. Well, most yard man can relate, because most yard man don't want to be associated with name front business and backdoor business. Her, Lus, so what kind of kitty you like? Me. Me love the pussy when you read inside. Me talking to him 29. We not even like you might go to the bike, but I'm here drugging the pussy like a dandy mic. I don't even text or call anymore. Me I talk to a girl and she says something to me. Me just go up on the internet and find a Ninja Man video and sending a gear. That's how me do it. Riddle me this, riddle me that. Who is the original self-proclaimed king of the dancehall? Is it A. Beanie Man, B. King Yellowman, C. Vybz Kartel, D. Bounty Killer? Give your answers in the comment below, or you can just mix this video. If you're going through the crowd and somebody step on your toe, what's the best way to handle it? You know what? I'll let Sizzla tell you how to deal with it.
Me and you say I step on car nowadays. Ninja Man, I can tell you actually. If you step on arm, I put a go through the crowd, but that's a big man, everything respected. Me not care calm. Hear me now. Whenever you attack, your elders for the youths then. I'm going to flop how you run the music, and I see the colleges. I know my best friend, run the rhythm. Run that! And Ninja Man, and Sizzla Kalonji.
I ain't gonna lie, Sizzla Kalonji always show Ninja Man respect. He told him always a splash. Friendly splash though. Yo! Sizzla always a trouble Ninja Man about the gun when get Adams over Sting. Hear Ninja Man respond right now. Ninja always have a different action. I swear. Caesar, I'm a little troublemaker, but Caesar and Ninja friendly clashes always fun and entertaining. Hope you guys enjoy that.